How to switch front to back camera during video on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application camera. Once you're in here, you have to put on the video mode. Now if you start to record the video, you won't be able to see any of the options where you'll be able to switch to front camera. So it is actually impossible to switch from front to back camera while recording the video. But if you really want to do so, then what you want to do is you can head over to any of the applications where you are able to capture the video. So as the Instagram includes camera, let me just head over to Instagram app. Once you are in here, swipe right and move into your story section. Well, you can see the back camera is opened right now. Well, you can start recording from your back camera. Now in order to switch to front camera, you simply have to double tap the screen, and then the front camera will appear. This way you will be able to capture both front and back view. Likewise, you can use any other application as well. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can switch from front to back camera during video on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.